This time around, we are doing boxes, so value boxes. Just a straight line down and backwards. If you wanted to use a ruler, you of course can. But since I'm just doing an exercise, I'm not gonna this time around. You need at least 3 boxes. How you approach your boxes is going to be up to you. I'm going to make mine interact with each other. And so that's 2. 1, 2. That one's going through. And I think I'll do one more over here. And this time I can see the bottom of the box. So it's almost floating. Well, it is floating. All right, cool. Yeah, okay. So when we are working on this particular value and shading, you're gonna have a dark side, a medium toned side, and a light side. If you choose to do this one, I would highly encourage you to have your boxes interact in some way like this one does here. But as always, that's gonna be your choice. So this one's gonna be a little bit darker. Then going in, making it a little more uniform. And this time I'm just going to use the graphite that's already on my shading stump to have my second value. All right, and I'm just going to do a teeny tiny bit on my highlighted side, just like that. And I can always go in and redefine my lines just a hair if I wanted to. Just make a couple areas a little bit darker, and then I'd be good to go. Then moving on to my other boxes. So this side's going to be a little bit darker. Same thing over here. A little bit darker. And this is going to be my light side. So I'm going to use my blending stump for that again. Sometimes we just need a couple touches and you're pretty much good to go. It's always important to utilize the tools that you have. If you don't happen to have a blending stump with you, remember you can always just use your fingertips or something along the lines of a Q-tip. Generally works well as well. And then my last box got a little oddly shaped here. I'm going to edit that just a hair and maybe add one more little box here because he looks lonely. And this one we're going to be able to see the bottom again. All right. edit this. I don't want to be able to see that bottom. Art can always be edited. So I'm going to bring this up. And bring this back. Just a little bit of a change in perspective there. And then I'd continue on until it looks something like this.